Hey guys, what's going on? Tony and John here from Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales, Newcastle, Indiana. If you missed us at the Fall Boat and RV Show last weekend, guess what? We've got news for you. What do we got, John?
We have almost a show extension, you might call it. This Saturday only, one day only. You need to come in Saturday. You need to look at our entire inventory, not just what we had at the show, but we have a full lot of RVs for you to come and check out yourself, and we'll explain everything about them that you need to know and help you out in any way we can. Tony?
Come see some of the lowest prices of the year, some blowout prices, possibly the lowest prices of the entire country on leftover 2023 inventory, and we've got some 2024 stuff for you to see. We'll see you Saturday, guys.
Come check out the campgrounds. The service department, which is a major part of what we do here, is making sure that we do service after the sale and look at our entire sales lot. Come on, this Saturday, one day only. We really want to see you here.
You know what?
What?
Free parking.
Ooh!
Free admission.
Boom!
Free food.
Love the food. Come and have some food.
9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Saturday, guys. We'll see you there.
Bring it on.